welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's doing good, and I'm back with another unboxing video. And my pimple is killing me every time I talk. But in the last week or so, I've gotten 4 pairs of shoes from the Nike app and from sneakers. So I decided that I'm gonna do an unboxing. I'm gonna do 2 now, and then I'll do 2 in a different video. So the first pair of shoes are Dunk Highs. I forgot the exact name, but these are the cargo khaki Dunk. Wow, look at that green. Hold on. Wow, look at this. It's a simple high dunk, but the color is just gorgeous. This is a great green. The bottom is the same. And then it has the same color in the top over here where it says Nike. Very nice shoe. I really wanted these when I saw them, and I'm glad I was able to get them. So yeah, let me know if you guys were able to hit on this shoe, because I know this was only a kid's shoe. I believe it was a big kids. I think it was only a big kid's shoe. So let me know if you guys were able to get your hands on them. I know they were sitting there for a bit because they only came out for kids. So alright, so I have the other box right here. I'm gonna go ahead. The other shoe. I don't remember which ones these are. Black and white. Oh, they just came out a couple of days ago. It's like the same style, so they're high dunk, but black and white. So I wasn't sure if I liked these when I saw them online, but once again, it was another, I think it was only for kids, a big kids and little kids release, and they look pretty okay. So I'm like, let me order them and see how they look in person. I don't know how how I feel about them in person either. Just seem a little boring. I guess it's like, I mean, how more boring can it get? It's black and white. But yeah, it's the shoe. It has a black sole at the bottom. Very simple. I mean, definitely be able to wear with a lot. Not a bad shoe. But yeah, I do have 2 more, but I'm gonna do a separate video for that. But that's all for this video. Actually, should I try them on? I'm gonna do a on foot to see how they look. Be back. I always forget how hard Dunk Highs are to put on, but once I was able to unlace them and get my foot in, not bad. I really like the cargo khaki. Feeling those a lot. They look good and they feel good. The black ones, they look a little better on foot, but I'm not still 100% about them. But let me know what you guys think. And yeah, loving them. So they look good on feet. You know, I always say this. I feel like a lot of shoes always look good on small feet. So that's my opinion. Let me know if you agree with that. But also comment down below, what shoes have you hit in the last 2 weeks? What you wanted, what you got, what you didn't get. Let me know if you got any of the ones I got. Comment down below. Share with me. You know I love that. And I'll see everyone in my next video. Bye.